let's start from Scalingo's homepage, where, by the way, you'll find links to our pricing calculator and documentation center. We will log into the dashboard. By the way, you can enable two-factor authentication if you would like. And now we are on the dashboard here, where we get an overview of our applications, the latest account activity, and some Scalingo news. Let's go straight to creating a new application. First, we give the name. Then we select the region where we want to deploy it. We'll stick with the standard region for this example. You can also specify whether your app involves held data hosting. This time we'll also leave that option unchecked. Next, we select where our repository is hosted. It can be GitHub, GitLab, or you can even push from your local machine. In this case, we'll choose GitHub, and I'll select the repository that contains my sample PHP app. There we go. I'm enabling automatic deployments, which means that every time a change is merged into the selected branch, a new deployment will be triggered automatically. We'll see later how this works in practice. So we select the master branch, and we're good to go. That's it. Our application is now created. Let's go ahead and deploy it for the first time. So we go deploy, manual deployment, trigger first manual deployment. We can take a look at the deployment logs. Now, I propose you to fast forward a bit so we can see the app up and running. It should only take a few minutes. So our deployment was successful, and now we can go and see how our application looks. And that's it. That's how you can create and deploy an app on Scalingo in a couple of minutes.